So alright, last time I was four-wheeling, I was coming back and my tires were down to 20 psi, so I hooked up my compressor to it, and to make a long story short, after about 15, maybe 20 minutes of pumping, I lost power to my lighter plug. And of course, since then I decided to install a separate cigarette light adapter somewhere closer to the battery, and fuse it, and I probably will make a video on that. But the cigarette light fuse was fine, so I took the fixture itself and just couldn't figure out what the hell is wrong with it. I even ended up buying a universal one, thinking that I'll just replace it with the new one, but Toyota has its own fitting in here, so the only thing that I salvaged from the new one, the new contacts, which anyway I could have cleaned it up. The old ones, they were burned up, and during the time that the compressor was hooked up, it did heat up quite a bit. But then I realized that these two pieces of positive, they used to be this little insulating washer between them two, between this piece and this piece. And anybody who will be facing the same kind of dilemma will know exactly what I'm talking about. Once they unscrew this nut, this black plastic piece comes off. Well, as a matter of fact, since I'm making a video, I think I'm gonna take it apart and just show it exactly what it is. I don't know how common that this kind of system is in a different vehicle, but that's what I've found to be in Toyota. So anyway, we have a nut, we have a locking washer, and then we have this positive fixture. This would be the negative one. So the post itself, the positive post, there is an insulating, kind of looks like this, little insulating piece. Once it's centered, the insulating piece has a little, it rises over the frame, and prevents contact to the negative. Like I said, between these two pieces, there is two separate pieces, and I don't want to take it apart because it's kind of hard to press it in, and it's already kind of wobbly. But in any case, like I said, the insulating washer is between them two. So what was transferring electricity from the contact to the post, there was a wire that was connecting these two, kind of bending from this contact to this one, and that is what was running the electricity from the connection to the post. And that wire, I guess it serves as a secondary fuse because it was melted off. As you can see, there is still some pieces of insulation. It was an insulated wire. So I figured, instead of rigging it all back up and putting the wire, especially I'm not going to be able to find the wire that will melt at the right temperature. I just basically removed the washer, so now I have a contact from this piece to this piece straight up, and that basically solved my problem, because I was just going crazy. I used the tester, the power was coming in to the plug, and then it just wouldn't go anywhere after that. Anything I would plug into the lighter plug would not power up, and it was just driving me completely nuts, until I realized that there was in this insulating washer between them, and so in order to run the power from this post, it had, like I said, that wire was running it to here, and then to, of course, a positive of the cigarette lighter. So So that's what I wanted to share today, and probably the next thing, once I'm finished putting this stuff together and fitting it back into the dash, I am planning to install the external or under the hood supplemental lighter plug, so I can plug in my my air compressor closest that I can to the battery. That way there's going to be less heat. I'll use the heavier gauge wire than whatever it comes in the cabin for this stuff, so it's not going to heat up as much, and hopefully that will solve my problem, because I was kind of going crazy not being able to charge of my in-car gadgets. Alright, thanks for watching this video, and like I said, I will make a video putting the other one under the hood. So until next video, thanks, bye.